Prospects for 2024 housing market. Don't miss if you are thinking about buying the house. Hey everyone. Welcome back to your Best Home Rate LLC, the go-to place for all things real estate and finance. I'm Clare Lynn, Senior Mortgage Advisor, and today we've got some groundbreaking news that's going to impact every home buyer and seller out there. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the latest updates on the housing market. Now, I know you've been hearing a lot about changes in the economic landscape, especially when it comes to interest rates and the housing market. Well, buckle up because Lawrence June, the chief economist of the National Association of Realtors, is predicting a whopping 15% jump in existing home sales for 2024. Plus, lower mortgage rates are on the horizon. So, what's causing these shifts, and how might it affect you? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, a quick favor: if you find value in our videos, hit that thumbs up. It helps us reach more people like you, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Now, onto the big news: inflation. In October, we saw some surprising numbers. The Consumer Price Index remained flat, with core CPI hitting a 2-year low. Take a look at this chart. It's fascinating how the numbers are playing out. But, and there's always a but, don't let the seemingly stable prices fool you. Inflation is more about momentum than the actual price tag. As we dissect the inflation breakdown for October 2023, we can see that inflation is indeed cooling. One crucial factor is shelter, constituting nearly 70% of the increase in all items. While the chart shows a 7% increase, the reality is that rents and housing are cooling down, suggesting that the shelter number will follow suit. But wait, there's more. The Producer Price Index, PPI, took a nosedive, showing the biggest monthly decline since April 2020. Core month-over-month PPI? Flat. And, to add to the mix, retail sales fell for the first time in 7 months. Now, usually, bad economic news spells good news for mortgage rates, but there's a twist. Despite retail sales declining, it wasn't as dire as expected. The bond market reacted a bit differently, showing that even though the economy might be slowing, it's not all doom and gloom. The upcoming holiday season could be a game changer for retail sales, influencing interest rates. Shifting gears, let's talk jobs. Jobless claims hit a 3-month high, indicating a cooling labor market. With all this data, interest rate traders are hedging their bets. The chance of no rate hikes in December or January? A whopping 95%. Some even predict the first rate cut in May 2024. Now, what does all this mean for the housing market? Well, mortgage rates have hit their lowest since September, causing mortgage demand to spike. But, and it's a big but, the housing market is still facing challenges. Prices are high, affordability is at a 39-year low, and the typical home buyer needs an income of $107,000 to snag a median-priced home. So, if you're a home buyer, don't expect a magical shift in affordability just yet. Instead, focus on what you can control: your credit score, budget, and down payment. The market might be slowing, but being prepared positions you for success. Remember, the sooner you become a homeowner, the sooner you stabilize your housing costs. That wraps up today's deep dive into the economic roller coaster and its impact on real estate. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay informed, stay prepared, and until next time. Thanks for watching. Clare Lynn, Senior Mortgage Professional, NMLS ID number 299,165. Your Best Home Rate LLC. We care about you and your loan.